Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kachi and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to crimp a bone straight wig. Okay, I know I've done a previous video like this, but this is the updated method. If you recognize this wig from my last video where I taught you guys how to straighten it, but now I'll be showing you how to crimp it. So keep watching. These are the products that we're gonna need: heat protectant, heat serum, my clips, and a rat tail comb. One thing we're going to be needing today we're going to be making use of today is a mousse and mousse. I'll be using the bedhead crimping iron. The first thing would be to section. Like, don't work on a wig without sectioning, please. I went ahead to section it 2 tracks at a time, and I'm applying my heat protectant and hair serum. Applying it in sections ensure that it gets saturated throughout the wig. The next thing we're going to do is use the mousse. Ensure that it gets saturated throughout. Now take out a section. Comb through it to ensure that there are no tangles whatsoever. Then feed in the iron with the hair. Ensure that you are taking out small sections at a time. Do not put in too much hair in the iron. Clamp down. Move on to the next line. Clamp down. Make sure that you're leaving for at least 10 seconds. We're basically doing the same thing. Clamp down. Then move on to the next line, where the iron ended. Ensure that you leave for at least 10 seconds before taking it out. that you are using the right portion of the heat protectant, meaning you do not ever want to take too much. After styling 2 to 4 tracks, I like to go in with my holding spray to retain the curls and ensure that it doesn't drop before I'm done with the entire hair. Guys, you won't believe that someone stole my business name. Someone stole our business name. Yes, quite surprising. And one reason why we are sure that she stole it is because she's a WhatsApp viewer, so she views our WhatsApp stories. And she's well aware of the existence of Total Extra. But I guess the name was too sweet for her. She just had to take it. Anyways, we've changed our name to Uber's Touch. So we're no longer bearing Touch of Extra. Now Uber's Touch. I haven't really known the right emotions to find this particular situation, because I'm thinking why would she suggest, why would she open a business with someone else's name? I don't get. And then she registered it. She opened a shop too. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. I just wish we could do better, because come on, what's that? Guys, it's been a minute. How have you all been doing? Lately, this day, there have been a lot of things happening, and in my head I'm like, okay, I'm here for this. I'm here for this. I just I don't know. Alright, here is a closer look. All you're basically doing is feeding in the iron and clamping down as hard as you can. Clamp down for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and then moving on to the next line and the next and the next until you are done with the entire length of the hair. Guys, my phone died, so I had to finish off camera. Now that I'm done with coiling, it's with crimping. Well, just in case you didn't know, the holding spray ensures that the curls last longer, but please do not spray too much. You don't want to put too much. You don't put too little either. We're going to use the hair comb to sort of like smoothing the look. This wig was already styled. That is why we did not need to section. We did not need to use the waxing sectionally. You get what I mean? Like we didn't need to put the hair in sections before using the waxing because it was already previously styled, and that would too much heat is not necessary. To finish off, I'll be using a wide tooth comb. You can use your hand to just open out the coils, but I prefer the look the comb gives. This right here is a setting spray. I use it to give it a shiny and glossy finish, and I sprayed it onto my hand and I'm applying it all over the wig. Ooh, it's giving beach curls, beach waves, period. This is the final look, guys. This is the final look. We've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.